Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to install the ceiling LED lights. We are going to install on this ceiling. These LED lights from Home Depot is about like $29. With the tax or everything, I think $31 per piece. I need a 6 of those. I bought a 6 of those. And wiring is pretty simple. I have only 3 wire, green, black and white. Green wire chassis ground, white neutral, and black is hot. Wire coming from switch goes to the black one. Pretty simple. To install, we need to make a hole over there. So these LED lights, the round about like more than 6 inch, about like 6.5 inch. You can make a hole from 5 to 6 inch. This LED will take and it will fit, and you just put it in ceiling. These clamps will hold it. We will make a hole and we will install this light. Then wirings inside, I have a ran already wired. Bad thing about this ceiling light, if something wrong, you cannot change your light bulb or anything. You have to change your whole light. And now we are going to make a hole. We're going to install the ceiling lights and see how it look. To make a hole, I'm going to use this 6 inch Milwaukee hole saw. So I have a marked already in this shop. I'm going to install, that's my shop. I'm going to install 6 of those. I have a marked already where I'm going to install those lights, and we're going to make holes and just put ceiling lights in. One hole ready. I'm going to test. This one fit perfectly inside. Will fit for sure, yeah. So now I can make the other one. Now we have all the 6 holes are ready. The way I'm going to wire up, I have 2 switches over here for lights. The 2 switches are going to control light. 3 lights going to be controlled by this switch and 3 lights with this switch. If you see behind, I have a red wire and black wire. I ran 3 conductor wire. So some of light I have to connect with the red wire and white, some are with the black and white. So I'm going to start with the last one. That one is the open end. So I'm going to terminate red wire because after that no more lights. So I'm going to connect with the black and white. Even we're not going to use red wire. I'm going to terminate red. I put a wire knot on it. Simple. White will go with white. Simply put wire knot. Now it's going to be really tight. You want to have a wire come out. After tight, you can test wire knot not coming off. black to black over here. wire go to copper wire, it's ground wire. Anytime you apply or you install any appliance, any light bulb, anything, make sure you have a ground wire connected, protect for getting shock. You're done. Simply you're gonna push wire inside and these two springs goes inside. This will go inside and your light is installed. Just simply push wire in and you see those two spring thing just goes in both sides and just make sure this gasket is good and install the one light. Same way we're gonna do all. Over here we're going to connect LED light with the red wire. We have all the LED lights are installed already in ceiling. All the connections are made. Now we're ready to test. I have a circuit breaker on and my switch. As I mentioned earlier, I have one switch turning 3 LED lights and one switch turning 3. So here we go. I'm gonna bring all the LEDs in my camera if I can. I'm gonna turn on one. So I got 1, 2, 3 on. I'm going to turn another one, and the other 3 is on 1, 2, and 3. If I need all LED lights, I will turn on all. Then my shop is really bright. I still have a couple things to done. I haven't finished my mirror saw, door stuff. And I have all the tools I shoved inside. I still need to work on it. But today's project was ceiling light install. That's finished successfully. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.